welcome back to my channel. And today my husband and I are headed to a new Michael's that's opened up here locally, and a new Ulta, and also a Dick's Sporting Goods. And we may also go to Walmart and Dollar Tree, not sure. So I thought I would take you along with us and let you see. So let's go shopping.
Hey guys.
This. That's $12 though. Oh, they're telling you to personalize some of this stuff with this glitter and Mod Podge. Oh, these are cute. $5.99. That is cute. That is pretty. And then they have these signs. It's $5.99. Yeah, that's pricey. You could do your own and age it. What are these? Oh, those are just bouquets for $39. That seems very pricey. But look at over here, all this galvanized. Oh, that is beautiful. Mom had some milk cans like that. That is all gorgeous. Yeah, I saw that. Oh, look at this. Aren't those pretty? And then here's some wreaths. These wreaths are pretty, but I bet they're pricey. Oh, this is pretty right down here. Look at this. That's heavy too. They're having all kinds of sales on their canvases. I really need one. Looks like the old lady that lived in the shoe. Here's all their... That's a floral craft ring. I haven't seen anything like that before. I love eucalyptus. Oh, we have 60% off these flowers. Wonder how much these are. $5.99, and then take 60% off. It's not bad. These are beautiful. $5.99. They have a... Oh, here's some succulents. But these are like $4.29. All the $2.99 ones are gone, but that is big. That's beautiful.
Ja, men är liksom så ordentligt.
These two. Did you see these?
Oh, that's gorgeous.
I love that. That's so pretty. 70% off washi, crafting tape supplies. Oh, this is beautiful. I like that one too. 70% off. That's a good deal. I might get one. Just don't know which one. I think I might get this. Now $4.99. They're $4.49 and they're regular $19.99. That's a good deal.
Very good deal.
I think I'm gonna get this because I don't have a lot of...
Yeah, 2 pennies.
This is pretty too. Yeah, but you'd pay more for the 2-pack than you would that whole...
Yeah, but it's...
Oh, the thing.
Right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I need to look for some stuff. That's cute. 50% off scrapbooks. Those are cute. Oh, that's $2. Little stickers.
Oh, that's nice.
Everything in here is on sale, like 40% off their lights. I guess it's where it's their grand opening.
I got you some pretty lights.
Those flameless candles are really pretty up there, especially those cream ones. How much? Their baskets are 50% off. Like it. It has really some pretty stickers. Oh, look at this. That looks delicious.
That's something.
Oh, I love this wreath. It is so pretty. Everything's 50% off here. Oh, look at that farmhouse sign. Oh, look at that. Happy Easter. I love that. Isn't this gorgeous? And I love that. Oh, that's pretty too. I love that. 39. Oh, look at that wreath. That's funny. Oh, we missed this. Yeah. I love this. $49.99, 50% off. That's pretty too.
Really nice.
Might make something like that.
I'll do.
Oh, and this is pretty right here. That would be gorgeous. Mom has a bird cage a lot like that. She says she's going to decorate.
Oh, yes, I've seen that.
Okay, now we're headed to Ulta to pick up a few things. I don't need a lot. I just really want to go in here and look since it's their grand opening. And that sale that they're having going on right now, the 28 Days of Beauty or something like that. So I'll be back. Okay guys, we have shopped till we have just about dropped. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this vlog for today. And I'll have, after I upload this, you'll be seeing a mini haul of what I did get today and at the various places that I went. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.